So I just finished making this. Basically it's just a bigger balisong out of larger popsicle sticks, which I cut down because they were too big at first. And yeah, I made the handles first, then I did the blade, and then I put these little things in here because the blade at the bottom of it was too small to fit screws in. Then I drilled the holes, so I used 2 screws and then 2 washers in between, and then these things to put on the ends. And for the spaces, I did just some more popsicle sticks, but I cut them down, some larger ones, and then I put these erasers here to hold it up as well. And yeah, I think I'm gonna add some more popsicle sticks onto it to make it more steady, because it feels a bit flimsy, but yeah, I'm quite happy with how it turned out. It's actually pretty big. Yeah, as you can see for the blade, I just did 3 holes. I didn't know why I just did that, but yeah, I'm quite happy with how this came out. And I didn't have to use Zen pins in the center because these on the sides, the spaces, go like that. It basically stops it, so it keeps it straight. So yeah, the tutorial I used to do this isn't basically, I didn't follow the instructions the exact same way, but the tutorial I used to get the general idea is from Bally Flips, and I'll link his video in the description. Yeah, if you want to make this. He used cable covers, so a stronger material, but because I didn't have that, I just used these. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed.